What's up YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad. I hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Okay you guys, so today I have a fun and exciting video for you guys today. I have a plus size Lovely Wholesale try on haul for you guys today because your girl has been dying to try out Lovely Wholesale's clothes because their pieces are cute and I've seen a lot of different reviews online. It's kind of hit and miss, so I'm excited to finally be trying out Lovely Wholesale today. Special shout out to Lovely Wholesale for sponsoring this video. So yeah, they sent your girl some clothes and I'm super excited to try the things on and see how they fit and how they're looking because girl, I really want to see if Lovely Wholesale is the plug for some cute but affordable clothing. You know what I'm saying? Yes girl. So I got a bunch of stuff to show you guys, so we're gonna go right ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the first outfit I have on here. It is a two-piece set. It's a t-shirt and shorts set. I got it in this light pink color and it also has some white stripes along the side. And you guys, I really do like this set. It's super cute. It's very comfortable. It fits really well. So I did get this in a 4X and I do highly suggest you go up 2 sizes when shopping on Lovely Wholesale. It's not like their sizes run a little bit small and they're obviously not true to size, so I would say go up 2 sizes, not only 1. But of course it also depends on the material and everything. So everything that I have is a stretch material. It does have stretch, but I did get everything in a 4X. So, and my normal size is a 2X. So my normal size is a 2X and I got everything in a 4X. I went up 2 sizes. So yeah, I really do like the way this fits. This is kind of like a scuba material. I don't know what that material is called, but a lot of fast fashion places are offering clothes in this like scuba material. I definitely would have preferred if this was more of a cotton material. Like this would have been so much cuter if it was a cotton material, but you know, it's whatever. I really do like the color. This is just easy breezy and cute to work out in. You could also run errands in this. Like I see myself wearing this to do my workouts in, but I also see me wearing this to like run to Starbucks or run to the grocery store or you know, them little errands and stuff. So this is what the fit is looking like. I'll show you guys the back as well. So I really like how the shorts fit. The shorts, I like the fit of the shorts more than the fit of the top because the top I feel like could have been constructed a little bit better. Like it would have been bomb if this was like a v-neck, or the construction of the top is just better. Like it's just very basic and I feel like it's not very flattering, especially on a woman. Like I feel like this could have fit a lot more flattering and nicer, but nonetheless, you know, I still think the outfit is kind of cute. Love the color because my favorite color is pink. So yeah, this is what this outfit is looking like. I'll show you guys what the side looks like. It has the stripe detailings on the side. This is what the back looks like. It fits really well. And this is what this side is looking like. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. What do you guys rate this outfit? I'm gonna give this outfit, a 8 out of 10. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because I really like how the shorts fit. I'm really feeling the shorts. But if the construction of the top was just a little bit better, like this would have definitely had a higher score. I would have preferred if this was more of a v-neck, or if the collar was just a little bit more flattering, or the construction of the shirt was just a little bit more flattering. But nonetheless, I think it's cute. So yeah. Alright you guys, so here is the next outfit and y'all, this fit is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. So of course it's another 2-piece set because your girl likes a 2-piece set. So it's this orange 2-piece set. It comes with a beautiful pencil skirt and the matching crop top. You guys, first of all, the color, okay, this is just giving me summer vibes. This is giving me cute on the resort vibes. Okay, like I need to be on vacation. Like I need to be showing off in this because it is so cute. Like y'all, I love this. This is so cute. So of course I did get this in a 4X also, and I do like the fit. It fits really well. I like that the crop top fits. The only thing I would say is I would appreciate if the crop top had like 1 more inch of fabric, because I find that it is a little bit short. Like if I were to raise my hand, my bra is showing here, so I would have appreciated if I had a little bit more coverage for the crop top. But I do have a lot of coverage in the back, so I'm all covered up in the back, which is great. But you know, the girls are big, so we need a little bit more fabric, okay? And for the skirt, you guys, I really love the skirt. Now, I did get this in a 4X, which is 2 sizes bigger than my normal size. So I would have loved if the skirt fit a little bit more tighter like this. I feel like it does have a lot of room in it, but the band is very tight. Like the band of the skirt is definitely not as stretchy as this part of the skirt. So it's definitely not gonna like fall down on you or anything like that, which is a good thing because we don't want our skirts to be falling off of us. But I would have liked if it fit a little bit better. So I probably would have done better with the 3X for the skirt, but I don't think a 3X would have fit the top. So I guess a girl just has to live with the 4X, but nonetheless, I do love the fit anyways. It is still very, very flattering. It's just really, really pretty. And the color on the skin, this orange on the melanin, is just hella cute. Like, I love this. Like, this is giving me vacation vibes, tropical vibes. Like, your girl needs to book a ticket and she needs to get on a plane and she needs to go on a beach, okay? Because she's ready, okay? She's ready. So yes, let me know what you guys think about this outfit. What are we saying? Okay, let me see. I'm gonna give this outfit, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. And the reason it has a 9 is because I could have used a little bit more fabric on the crop top. And I would have preferred if the skirt fit a little bit more fitted, but that's my fault because I ordered the 4X. So that's why I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. But it is so cute. I love this. So this is this outfit. All right, y'all. So we were on such a good roll with the outfits. Everything was just coming through. And now we have this outfit, which I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, so it's another 2-piece set. It's a t-shirt and shorts combo. And when I saw it on the site, I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. This is gonna be perfect to work out in. This is gonna be perfect to run errands in. This is gonna be super cute to lounge around the house. Like, I thought it was gonna be super cute, but you guys, I'm not feeling this one. Like, I wouldn't completely write it off. For me, it's the material, okay? This is literally scuba material. Like, this is what scuba divers are wearing to go scuba diving. Like, I could go into water right now and be fine. Like, this is bathing suit material. So I feel like the choice of material was very poor on this. This should have definitely been a like cotton type of material. And the thing with the shirt is that it has this like white underline, so when you stretch it, it turns white. And so the whole fit should be black, but because it's like stretching on me, it's giving this gray look. You know what I mean? Like, can y'all see that? You see, it's like white, and I don't like that at all. Like, the concept of the outfit was so nice, but it was just executed poorly. Like, Lovely Wholesale, can y'all make this in a cotton material? Because it's just not flattering. Like, it's just not cute. But anyways, this is what the top looks like. It's just your basic top. I feel like the construction could have been a little bit better on the top, a little bit more flattering, a little bit nicer, but you know, whatever. I do like the shorts. I really, really like how the shorts fit. These shorts are going to be perfect for working out in. And for lounging around the house and stuff like that. So I do really like the shorts, and I definitely see myself utilizing the shorts more than the top. The top is a little bit on the tight side considering I did get this in a 4X, but as we know, their sizes do run a little bit short. But yeah, I hate the fact that it's giving off gray vibes instead of black. Like, on the site it was black, and now on me it's kind of gray. So yeah, and it is a little bit see-through. I think you guys can see the tag here on the side. So I'm not a big fan of that. So y'all, it was going so good. It was going so good. We were on a roll, but I don't know about this one, y'all. Like, I'm gonna give this outfit, I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10 because I can still definitely utilize the shorts. I can lounge around in it. I can work out in it and everything. The top isn't as comfortable. Like, I don't know. Like, if this material was like the pink suit, it would have been a lot better. This is really like scuba slash bathing suit material. The pink set had a scuba feeling, but it was a little bit more on like the cottony side. So I guess that one is more of a blend, but this is a pure like bathing suit material. Like, this is what you would wear to go into the water. Like, I might as well just attach these two parts and make it a one piece, because like it's literally that material. And I know a lot of fast fashion places use this material. I guess it's a cheap material to make outfits on, but Lovely Wholesale, can you please redo this one, because the concept is so cute, but I'm just not feeling it. So yeah, this is this outfit. You guys, oh my gosh, this dress, I'm shook. I am Lovely Wholesale, y'all did that. Y'all gotta give this video a thumbs up for Lovely Wholesale, because they did it with this dress. Oh my god, you guys, I am shook. So I have this very cute, a multicolor, multi-print maxi dress. It is long, it's all the way down to the floor. You guys, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna come up a little bit closer so y'all can see. Like, are y'all seeing this? Look how, oh my god, this dress, you guys, I love it. Like, I love this dress. It is beautiful. It fits really nicely. Funny enough, I actually got this in a 3XL, and to be honest, when I took it out of the package, I was like, ooh, this is not gonna fit, because I felt like it wouldn't stretch, but your girl fit right on into it. Okay, I squeezed myself in. You guys, this dress is so nice. It is so flattering. Like, y'all, look at the booty. Look at the booty. Look. Like, you guys, this dress, it looks so good. I'm shook. Like, you guys, like, I love this dress. Like, if there was anything I could change about this dress, I don't even know what it would be. Like, okay, maybe if the bottom fit a little bit more tighter. Like, if this was like tight all the way down, that would have been a vibe. That would have been a vibe. But for a maxi dress, this is cute. This is so flattering. Like, you guys, oh my god, I love this. And what's great about this dress is you can dress this up or dress it down. Like, this could be cute for a date night. Cute pair of sandals, cute pair of heels, really nice jewelry, a cute purse. And tell me you're not cute for a date night. And then you can wear this super cash, like random slippers. You can wear this with even a cute hat. Like, y'all, this dress is a vibe. I love it. Like, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. There is nothing I would change about this dress. I love it. And it is so flattering. The colors complement my skin so nicely. Like, you guys, are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, are we feeling this or are we not feeling this? Because I'm feeling this. Like, wow, I love this, you guys. This dress is gorgeous, and I just love the way it fits. Like, this 3X fit, so I guess I can fit into the 3XL. So I'm gonna have to get some more clothes and get them in a 3XL to try this out again, because girl, okay, we were going uphill, we went downhill a little bit, but we right back up the hill. Okay, so we're doing good. Okay, Lovely Wholesale, like, you was coming through. Okay. So yeah, you guys, this is this dress. All right, you guys, so here is the next outfit, and y'all, I'm in love. Okay, Lovely Wholesale, I'm gonna have to give you guys a clap, because this is so cute. And this is just, first of all, I'm in love with this whole tie-dye trend. Like, I really hope tie-dye trend does not come out of style. Like, this is very much so fall tie-dye. Like, you know, tie-dye is usually like the bright colors and everything, but this is just cute. Like, okay, get it together, girl, get it together. So of course, this is another two-piece set. It is a skirt with a matching crop top, and the skirt comes with this really cute, like, belt, tie, whatever detailing, which I think is so cute. It just adds that little bit of like pizzazz for the skirt. So I just knotted mine off to the side and having it hang, but of course, if you wanted to make like a bow, you could, but I think it looks cuter with it just hanging down. But this doesn't look too bad either. You can wear this however you want. You can wear it down or with a bow. Let me know how you guys prefer. Do you guys like it with the bow, or you guys like it just hanging down? Let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, this is so cute. The color combo, the orange, the green, the blues, like these colors go so nice together. And I feel like this is super, like this is perfect to transition into fall with. Like you just pop on a nice long cardigan with this, like a nice black cardigan with this, and you're good to go. Like we're still cute in the fall, baby girl. Like, yo, I love this set, and it's very flattering on the body. Like I love it. So this is in a 4XL. I would have preferred if the skirt was a little bit tighter, so maybe I should have went with the 3X, but I feel like I wouldn't have fit the top so well in a 3X. And the crop top, you guys, is perfect. Like this is a crop top that I love. You have enough coverage. Like you don't have to wear cropped if you don't want to. You don't have to show any stomach if you don't want to. I have a ton of coverage in the back. Like I love it. Like I couldn't have asked for a better two-piece set. Like I love this. And of course this you can dress up as well. Throw on a cute pair of heels, a cute purse, some nice jewelry. Like you can dress this up or you can dress it down. Like, and I love an outfit that can be dressed up or dressed down, okay? Because you never know when you need to bring it up a notch, and you never know when you need to just bring it down a notch. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I love this. Ooh, y'all wait till I style this. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram to see how your girl styles this. Make sure y'all like this picture when I posted on Instagram, okay? Because you guys, I love this. Like, to be honest, this is getting a 10 out of 10. Like, this is getting a 10 out of 10. We have 2 items with a 10 out of 10. We have a 9 out of 10. We have a, what are all the scores? I don't remember all the scores. The only thing I haven't liked was that black 2-piece set. Everything else has been bomb. Everything else has been fire. Okay, Lovely Wholesale. Y'all came through, okay? I can't diss y'all. Y'all came through, because this outfit, like tell me this is not cute. Like, what? I love this. Oh my god, I don't even want to take it off. Like it's just easy breezy. It's just I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright you guys, so that was it for my Lovely Wholesale try on haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I loved majority of all my pieces. Like this got a 4 out of 5. Like it was just that one outfit that was kind of but everything else was a bomb, okay? So Lovely Wholesale, y'all did that. Special shout out to Lovely Wholesale for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for the cute calls. I love them. So yeah, make sure you guys drop me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite outfit. What are we rating all of the pieces? Let your girl know. And if you haven't already, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you guys are subscribed, okay? Because you made it here this far into the video and you haven't subscribed yet. So baby girl, subscribe to the channel so you guys never miss any more of my uploads. So yeah, I'm feeling so good, y'all, because this was such a successful try on haul, okay? If you guys haven't seen any of my other try on hauls, then make sure you guys go and check them out. They will be listed up in the card section. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.